Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, what's up everybody?
What's up?
Okay, I'm here at this time, this chance. I'm here. I want to tell you, I want to describe or explain about smart topic. But before going to my speaking, before going to my topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Hedal Firnawan. I'm 15 years old. I'm from Jalake. And my reason is here because I want to be able to speak English well. Before I choose this reason, I want to be able to speak English. I just want to study whatever I want. Actually, although I didn't have any goals, but right now my purpose, my goal is I want to be able to speak English well quickly, like for now. Okay, and here I want to say thanks to my teachers, all my teachers who already taught me about English, grammar, and many more. Okay, right now, let me begin my speaking. My topic is sleight of hand, or we can say in our daily life, it's magic. And what is that? Magic is performing art that interests most people in the world because magic can make most people make us amazed and curious behind the secrets, about the secrets behind the presentation or behind the show of magic. Actually, there are many kinds of magic. For the first is sleight of hand, or we can say slide. In Indonesian, it's teragang tangan. If it's Indonesian, what is that? Sleight of hand is a trick of magic that use your skill of your hand. For example, if you want to trick your audience, you have to make your hands faster. You have to need your speed of your hand, and you have to need your talent of your hand. And the next is cardation. I think you know from the name. I think you know about the cardation. Cardation, of course, involves to card. What is that? Cardation is trick of magic that use cards. For example, if you wanna move cards to other places, or if you want to change the cards with other cards. For example, it's like that one. And the next is escapology. What is that? Escapology is trick of magic that use trick of escaping from something. For example, there is a magician put inside the box, and the box put to the under soil, and the others will put the soil, make it flat. And when the others wants to open the box, and the magician is lost. Why? Because there is the trick of that magic. Of course, I don't know about that magic because that trick is higher. So I don't know for sure what it is. And the next is one name, illusion. Illusion, yeah, that's trick of magic. Let's use an illusion. And next is use prediction. Trick of magic. Let's use prediction. But I forgot the name. That is mentalism. What is mentalism? Mentalism is trick of magic. Let's use your prediction. For example, the magician, when before performing to the stage, the magician will prepare for their preparation of this magic or their magic. For example, they will predict something in upcoming time. So in adult time, they will predict first before performing to the stage. And after that, and when the magician is in the stage, yeah, they will blow our mind with their magic, with their show of magic. And the next is math magic. I think from the name, yeah, that is involved to math. But I don't know for sure because I forgot about the trick. If I'm not mistaken, I saw in the Chromebook information when I was searching information. I think mathematics is similar to mentalism. What predict something in upcoming time. And actually, there are many magicians in the world. For example, the first magician that I know, if magician Dedi. His name is Dedi. Dedi life is in ancient Egypt. There was a king. His name is Siops, King Siops. If I'm not mistaken, Dedi wanted to show his magic to King Siops. And if I'm not mistaken, the trick of his magic is cutting a head of animal and make it dead without any swords. And when King Siops saw it, watch this one. King Siops felt no disgusting, but amazed to his magic, amazed to his show. But the King Siops wanted to Dedi to repeat his magic. But the rule, if I'm not mistaken, the first rule for the magician is may not repeat his magic, same magic. I think what, for example, if you repeat your magic, your trick of your magic, I think the others or your audience will know what your trick, so don't repeat. Now, when King Siops wanted to repeat or wanted Dedi to repeat his magic, his show of magic, Dedi rejected. So Dedi did something else or magic else. For example, it's like cup and balls, trick of magic, that's cup and balls. That's, I think that was trick of close up. Actually, there is a kind of trick of magic again. That is micro magic or close up. I think close up is only seeing a magic show with near distance. Only like that. And actually there are many magicians in the world. For example, it's like in an European country, and his name is Giuseppe Kennedy and John and Henry Anderson, Isaac Fox, and it's like that one Dedi, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, in ancient Egypt. But actually there are many magicians too in Indonesia. Don't you think Indonesia doesn't have many magicians, many great magicians? Actually, there are many magicians, great magicians in Indonesia. For example, the first is like Deddy Corbuzier. Of course, you know about Deddy Corbuzier. Deddy Corbuzier was a magician, but right now he is a comedian. I don't know for sure about his reason, but right now, currently, he is a comedian. And the second is Denny Darko. The third is Demen Aditya. The fourth is Sekretriana. And this magician, I think it's very best magician in Indonesia. The step of her, I think it's horrible. I don't know why her style is horrible. I think for scaring the audience or for making condition horrible or higher. Okay, and next is, if I'm not mistaken, Holy Belly, and the next two, Sir Tarno. I think you know Sir Tarno, Patarno. Yeah, of course, he is a musician and comedian too. If I'm not mistaken, I ever watched in television, in channel of RNTV, if I'm not mistaken, because I was a child on that moment. And the next is Pesulap Merah. I think you will know about Pesulap Merah. He is viral, if I'm not mistaken. He was viral in 2022. And next is Master Lima. And the last, I think that is Pretty Rosmarian. And you know, Pretty Rosmarian is a magician, but a little magician. I think she is still little because her age is 15 years old right now. And for me, the great magician, yeah, is her because of what? Because when she was 7 years old, she already studied and learned about magic when she was in 7 years old. So I'm amazed to her right now. Okay, I think until to this point, I can tell you about my topic.
Alright, okay, nice topic. So about magic. So I just wanna ask, did you ever hear about black magic? Black magic.
I think, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now magic is a magic only trick or magic run helped by a genie or like Satan or ghost? As you know.
I think for this magic, they one's like movie or Harry Potter is like the one
Okay.
magic, but for this magic is fake magic. What this magic is using a trick. But for magics like in Harry Potter, I think they want use genie maybe.
Okay, it's like black magic.
Yeah.
So what is the difference between a magician and shaman? You know shaman? Okay.
I think for shaman, he uses a genie help from genie or from genies or demons maybe perhaps. But yeah, for magic, for sleight of hand, let's not use help from genie. Let's use her or use their skills of their ability. Not use help from genie, Satan or animal.
Alright.
Enough.
Okay, so now you said many magicians from Indonesia. Which one is the best magicians from Indonesia?
Yes.
So did you know Rafael?
Yeah, I
Yes,
know.
Rafael, right? So which one is the best magicians in Indonesia?
I think
In your mind?
in my mind. I think for me that one. I think Rizky Rosmilian.
Who?
Rizky Rosmilian.
Medians. Okay, why? What trick? I mean, do you know the trick? The trick that he used when he do performance in front of many people or in front of public.
Okay, she always use trick of mentalism, predict something. So I'm next to her because before she performed when she showed, I think she already prepared from before going to stage. I think she already performed. I think from earlier, I don't know for sure, but when I saw her show, I think in America's Got Talent, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, she already made audience surprised with her show of magic. So I'm next to her.
Alright, okay. So the last question for me. Do you know Master Lindbergh?
Yes, I know.
Okay. What kind of medicine does he use?
Things like card maybe.
Okay, it's like a trick of art like that.
Yeah.
So you know why? I mean, maybe I never hear. Yeah, I never hear he speaks. Why?
Yeah.
Why? Maybe you know the reason why. I mean, why does he not speak?
Actually, I don't know the reason, but actually he ever speak something. I saw in TikTok.
Okay.
I saw in TikTok he ever spoke something, but I forgot the word.
Okay, maybe it's only one or two words like that. Not like as usual. It's not like a human being speaking with other people.
Yeah.
But okay, nice topic. Thank you.
I saw several magicians there. Several magicians, they show their ability, their skills on the stage, in front of people, on the stage, usually on television. So like David Copperfield, you know, this one is popular magician. Yeah. I'm so curious about his amazing performance. His shows like flying, he flies on the stage. Can you explain it? How can he make it? Okay, he flies. Did you ever see the David Copperfield flies on the stage? Yes, right. Can you explain it?
Actually, I ever see, but I don't know about his trick because his trick is so higher level. So I can explain it. So I think, maybe I just watch it in the television. I just feel surprised about his magic of show.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just see and keep silence because I don't know, I didn't know anything from that tree.
So it's tricky, it's a little bit tricky perhaps. There is trick to fly, or perhaps they got help from his team, perhaps. I don't know exactly. I think that's it for the questions. Your speaking is qualified enough, nice enough. Okay.
And more or less, I'm sorry if I got many mistakes from my speaking. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.